Welcome to codePannu. Let us see examples of greater and greater than equal operators. Let us say there is an election happening in India today and we have to write a condition to check who they can allow to vote. One has to be 18 years old to vote. Let us first create a variable to get the age of the person who's coming to vote. So we write person age is equal to 25. Now we write print open bracket close bracket and inside the brackets person age greater than 18. Save the file and run the code. The output is true because 25 is greater than 8. But if I change the age to 18 and run the code again, the output is false. The output will be true only for ages greater than 18 and not for equal to 18. To allow all the people who are of age 18, we have to change this condition. We have something here called greater than equal to, where we have a greater than symbol and equal to symbol without space. If I add this, it takes all the values equal and greater than. Let us add it here and run the code. Look, the output is true. To know more about operators, follow or subscribe codePannu. And for now, bye.